god, that is so pretty in real life. It's like mind-blowingly pretty, and it's so big, but it's like nothing on here. You only have kale. It has matcha and kale. It doesn't have matcha. You gotta eat no matcha. Mmm. You like it? Yeah, it just, you know how like green smoothies are, there's that first sip, you have to get used to it. Mm-hmm. A little jarring. Mm-hmm. Here's with the matcha. It's definitely like their greenest smoothie. Better with the matcha. My matcha be good. We left Cabin Land about 3 days ago, and now we're visiting our friends Erica and Rob in Vancouver, Washington. We're back and just eating at all the restaurants, eating at all the fast food places, getting Jamba Juice every day. There's just everything around. Ross, Jamba Juice, Starbucks, Sally Beauty. Oh god, Jersey Mike's. Just how we missed thee. If you're wondering where Ming is, Erica is babysitting today, so we could go on a little adventure. Don't even look at the backseat of this van. We have, oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Everything from the bus, in the van, drag, clothes, toiletries, camping gear, propane tank, kitchen stuff. Yeah. So we're just kind of riding dirty with all of our stuff right now. It's really great for gas mileage, but I'll be damned if we don't get this content made.
A couple more days.
Mm-hmm. Our day is gonna be action-packed and full of fun.
Beauty.
And beauty. Gonna see some waterfalls, and maybe even a little crashed airplane in the woods moment.
The house.
Oh yeah, I keep thinking it's a crashed plane, but it's
it looks like it, but
yeah,
it's somebody's home.
Wow. We just passed this amazing looking waterfall, so we're gonna make a little detour, pit stop, and go check it out. It looks super stunning. Okay. Oh my gosh. I can't hang.
Put on some more layers.
You know what? We have more clothes in the car.
We have all of our clothes in the car. Furs.
Yeah, furs. Could get into
loafers.
I could get into drag right now if I wanted to. It's just so windy out there.
It's frigid. Frigid ass man.
Yeah. Mother Natch is ready to party. Oh, I love living in my car.
Well, we love it when it's not doubling as a storage unit.
It's really spirit building. Outfit change for continuity. Little outfit of the day tour. be a buzzkill, but every time we're in such beautiful sacred areas like that, I just get overwhelmed with thoughts of indigenous people who are living peacefully and surrounding those kinds of places. It's so horrific. We're on the way to Horsetail Falls, and there's also another one behind it called what?
Ponytail.
Ponytail? No.
Yeah.
Horsetail and Ponytail Falls. Wish I had my ponytail on. Climb this mountain, get up there, check out Ponytail Falls. Pardon the interruption, but I simply must tell you about today's sponsor, and you need to just listen to this because so far my experience has been insane. Truebill is an all-in-one personal finance platform that helps you monitor your spending habits, or in my case, my horrible spending habits, by monitoring the subscriptions that come out of your bank account. In addition to that, it helps you cancel unnecessary bills, monitor your credit score, and helps you figure out how you can start saving. So this is when things get a little crazy. I went and integrated Truebill with my bank account and quickly realized that I had a Verizon cable subscription from 3 years ago, actively siphoning out $200 from my account every single month for the past 3 years. I do have a new Verizon subscription, so I guess when I've looked at my bank account in the past, I thought that the old one was the new one, but in reality, it was two separate bills the whole time. $7,200 or something, just fully gone. Should I call the FBI? I'm just super grateful that I started using Truebill now because sis, that's crazy. In addition to helping you cancel unwanted subscriptions, they'll also help you start a savings account and even help you negotiate outstanding bills that you may have. All in all, Truebill is truly the financial advisor I never had and probably should have had a little bit sooner. And you can try it for free by going to truebill.com/pearl or by following the link in the description below. And now let's carry on with this lovely day. Whoa,
That's what you were saying.
oh my gosh. I feel like we're in yellow jackets. You look like a colonial woman churning butter. This is like some straight guy place.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool, but
Yeah.
I'm just like, all right, cool.
Good.
Okay. This is like a straight guy thing to do.
That's definitely a first time. First timer.
Something I've never seen before.
First and last time.
We're such
really?
We just realized we're in winery land. So
country.
wine country. Oh yeah, I guess they call that wine country.
Wine land.
So when in Rome, might as well. A little dry, these grapes.
It's winter.
Oh yeah, it's a little
Sleep.
dry.
They're sleeping.
They're sleeping.
No, all their energy goes down into the roots.
That happens to me sometimes too. Wine à la française. I don't know why I'm saying that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I had the best wine I've ever had in my life. I'm not kidding. I was not expecting that.
And so a lot of horses, we have like 17 horses and
Leaving all your babies.
cows and donkeys, yeah. So, which has been, I miss
happening.
Mhm.
I love how that was like your first like real experience. Yeah. And our estate name in native language is Tuscawallami.
It's okay, puppies. Good babies. My head is like an empty egg.
Exactly. Hollow, spacious mind.
Stay here all day. Except
Right.
I'm hungry. Oh. Wow, here's the area where
Standing amongst the
Is that poison? Poison.
13 gibbet. It is to die for right now. And it's like ready.
She says she's gonna bring the books. Oh hell yeah. Cheers. Ooh, last one. Very refined. I could sit here for hours. I don't know about you.
That it's up there, down below. You have no idea.
Great sheets. Right? Oh wow. We got a fried ravioli with butternut squash and gorgonzola. And we got a pretzel with, I think he said it was rosemary gouda or some shit like that. I don't really care what it is. I'm kind of the type of person, if you put it in front of me, I'll eat it. Yeah, we do. And finally, we have the veggie risotto with a little crostini, sourdough crostini, of course. Today's like the best day of my life. That was so fun.
Oh, so good.
The little things in life. Had to pee so bad, so we pulled over to a Burger King, and of course the lobby was closed. So I had to get a small pizza just to use the restroom, and look at how good it looks. Goat and bear grooming salon.
Should be for dudes.
What kind of beast is going there? It's been a long day. Now we're back at our friend's apartment complex, taking a little stroll to the hot tub because that's the only way we could end this perfect day. Take a little dip, hot tub moment. You know, the quality is a little bad. I'm using the iPhone for this. joining us on this super magical day. I'm pooped. Exhausted. Especially after that hot tub. Oh my gosh. I'm just like... So now we're gonna do what we do best. Lay in bed and watch a movie on our projector and get cozy. What are we gonna watch tonight? Ooh. I think we should watch my new favorite garbage dumpster fire TV show. What? Can anybody guess what it is?
If you're living your truth, then you're a part of the revolution. You have nothing to hide.
You went out to dinner with me in the 90s when I was wearing far less. Is there like a cool way to ask my new neighbor to please stop making so much noise? No. Come on!
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not happy. What's the problem? I want more.
Whoa, what?
More everything.
Are you asking me for a divorce?